Today, August 17, 2020, watching these hummingbirds, so fascinating, by my windows in my living room. So beautiful. Here my butterfly was now that got knocked down from the storm Messiah, and I have to trim it and got some parts of it that I planted. It's somewhere in the middle, and this is then before. It's so full and beautiful looking. It will come back again to look like this. Now, usually before putting the fence up, and it's gonna look nice. I'll be putting some climbing roses around the fences. And here's my beautiful flowering tree that I just love. That it blooms around August to September. It's just so beautiful. That's why I have three of this. One on each side and then in the front, below one on the front side. Now back to my hummingbird. I just love watching this. Just so Here's the monarch's butterfly. This is like about 3 years ago. Just planted the seeds and it came out. Yeah, 3 years ago. Monarch's butterfly. So cool. And here, videoing from inside, looking out through my windows and watching this hummingbird visiting my garden. And I love this flower too, Weigela. It's so beautiful in spring. And this hummingbird is just so fascinating to look at. So cute. I just love it. And this is the garden before that I just threw some seeds in there. Oh, beautiful flowers. But this other stuff is so invasive. I had to take it out. And I got some in my other gardens too, because hummingbirds and butterfly loves it. Beautiful too. And here, peeking through my window, my door windows, I'm looking at these beautiful flowers from the inside. It's just beautiful. I love it. I can't wait for this other stuff to bloom too. Beautiful. And here's the other side. I just love impatiens. And they're just beautiful. And here in my backyard, my raised bed garden that is so full. And this flower thing that is growing in here that I think it's called flower in an hour or something, like in hibiscus time. And I have to take it out from there. And here's another one too. It's just mixture will be a lot better. This is just like a practice this year, but it's gonna get better and better every year, so it's okay. I got some okra here, and I'm gonna keep some for seeds that I can plant for next year. And here's the velvet leaf. Supposedly the seeds from it taste like sunflower seeds, but these are very invasive plants, so I have to take it out from here. And here's my eggplant. There's another eggplant that's about ready to harvest now. It's about ready to harvest now too. More eggplants. And here are my sweet peppers. More sweet peppers. And I planted the seeds in my house plant indoors. And it's just amazing that they grow, and then I transferred it in here. So cool. And it's supposed to turn colors when they are ready to harvest, to be harvested. Like, let me see, turning like red, some of them red and some are orange and yellow. I can't wait. Cool. This right here. And here. More. And this one, I love this one right here. As you can see, I use grass clipping for mulch. These tomato plants are already harvested, like a whole bunch of tomatoes in here, maybe 20 already. It's amazing, and now it's producing more tomatoes. Pretty cool. And they're very good too. Very good tomatoes. And here I got some tomatoes in here too in my raised bed garden. And here's one developing. I can't wait to see it. What it looks like. Tomato. I'm gonna have some. Yeah. And back to my hummingbird again that I love to watch. Thank you for watching, guys. Here's my friend. And God bless. And be safe always. Karina.